Hey everyone, let me introduce you to a really fun and useful project for you to make. This one is the Martelli neck pillow. And who doesn't need a neck pillow? Whether you're traveling or whether you're at home and you just want to get your neck protected, the neck pillow is the way to do it. And to make your own and to make it in so many different fabrics, absolutely economical for you to do. This is the Martelli neck pillow. It's just a simple template, great curve on it. And as all of our templates, they have this amazing brown fabric on the back. So that when you set this down on your fabric and you line it up with the fold, you can get all of your pieces cut out super, super easy. Nice, easy curve right here. You can use your 28 millimeter, your 45 millimeter. Easy to get this all cut out with these. You only need to cut out 2 pieces. But again, you could make it out of so many different fabrics. You can make a quilting cotton, like I said, minky, flannel, fleece, whatever you want to make your neck pillow out of. Or as I have done with this one, this is some pre-quilted fabric that I had found. And they just are so comfortable. A lot of people like to make these and take them on their trip or put them on the airplane. You can add a strap to it so it makes it easy to carry. I'd probably put it on this end so you just kind of loop it on and carry it. But here's one done with the pre-quilted fabric. Here's one just made out of regular quilting cotton, just cotton. But again, it can be made out of whatever material that you want to make these out of. Fun project. Again, these go together extremely fast. Get your kids involved to help you stuff them. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this one. Be sure to pick yours up today.